Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my fake blowout without actually having like blowout materials. All you're going to be needing is some hairspray and a straightener really, and then the other stuff that I use in this video is optional, so it's really up to you. But yeah, it's super easy and super fast, and this is the hairstyle that I have been loving recently and I hope you do too. So if you want to see how I get these bouncy little curls, please keep on watching. Also, if you're not yet part of the family, please remember to go subscribe and put the post notifications on, which is the bell button, so you know whenever I upload. And let's get started. Okay, so this is my hair like when I'm done showering. I just showered this morning, so my hair is like a little more frizzier than what it usually is. I have my Irresistible Me straightener. I put it on 380 degrees because I feel like that's not too hot for my hair. INH actually sent me this. I have a discount code. I will put it on the screen for you. I love their products so much and their ponytails are really good quality. But they sent me this flame fighter. It's a heat protectant and I never tried it yet. I did try this one and this one made my hair super shiny. It's the Super Shine Serum. I think it's like a spray. Yeah. It smells like citrus. It smells really good. I'm gonna spray this into my hair. Oh my god, this smells so good. Just to protect my hair from the heat. It smells yummy. I don't know why, but my bangs are having like that curly moment and it's so cute. Like, I like it. It makes it less like effortless when I actually do have to style my bangs. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna section my hair now. So to start, I like to section off my hair first because I have a lot of hair. If you don't really have a lot of hair, you don't have to do this, but I do. So I kind of just section it off, whatever, like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I kind of just work on the lower half section on this side first. If you're wondering where I got my alligator clips from, they're from Shein. So I bought these at first and I don't really like them. They barely stay. They're more so for just getting my hair out of the way, but I don't like them because they don't have like a grip or like a claw to hang on to. So I would recommend to get the alligator claws. And I also like these. So I got both of these from Shein. This one is really good when you need to keep your curls. My hair smells so good. This stuff smells super good, like citrus. It's like orange and like lemon and a little bit of floral. It smells good. Okay, anyway, what I like to do is grab a section. I kind of work in like big and small sections. It's really like up to preference, but I kind of like my hair to have a variety of curls, if that makes sense. I feel like some are bouncy and then some aren't bouncy. It gives it more of like a effortless look, so whatever. I like it to make like a J instead of like a twist. Does that make sense? Stop.
Hey, baby,
Oh,
you're so beautiful. I love listening and watching you. I love you, baby.
Love you. And then I'm gonna take this section. I like to flatten out like right up here first, and then at the end do a little swoop like that. I know some people like to curl outwards. It's really up to preference. I like my hair to go in. I don't know why. I just feel like it looks best on my hair. And then for these hairs, I don't really like curl them too much because these hairs are so like thin, you know, so it's gonna curl super fast if like I even do the slightest movement. So that's what that looks like. And then this is what the bottom looks like. You see how it's just kind of just like whatever, like curly? That's what I like because these don't really show when I put this hair down. So immediately you can just see the difference like when I don't style it versus when I do. Okay, I just had to go grab my hairspray. So this is the hairspray I use. It's the really strong hold hairspray. I don't like hairspray. I don't know why I have this. Oh, it's because my boyfriend uses this one and he visited me. Anyways, so this is the hairspray that I have, so it doesn't lose any of its curls. And then I'm just gonna repeat the same thing. I'm probably just gonna insert music during this clip now because it just gets really repetitive. Onto the upper half. So I just kind of grab like random pieces, and sometimes like I don't get it on the first try, so I will just, you know, keep trying until I get that kind of curl that I want. Like around the face, like around this area, I do like to curl it a little more twistier, if that makes sense. I didn't do my bang because I do my bangs last, and I will show you why I do them last. Curling almost everything besides the bangs, but everything turned out pretty good in the way that I like it. So the reason why I leave the bangs last is because I like to curl them both at the same time, and then I kind of just swoop out and then let it go. Oh my god, I look like a fucking vampire. And then I just let them kind of fall. So do you see that like huge wave? I know it looks like crazy right now, but once you like play with it a little, it starts to look better. Kind of just take it individually like that. You want to move really fast because you don't want the curl to get like too curly. And then I find that when I'm always like touching my hair, I brush it back like that so they can fall like this, and it just gives it like a fluffier look. I really like it. I think it gives like model kind of hair. I don't know, that's how I like it. I feel like it frames my face very nicely and makes it look slimmer. Oh, and also a tip, this is whether you're like doing this hairstyle or any curling hairstyle, make sure you scrunch your hair like this. It makes your hair curls like so much tighter. And like I thought that people knew to do this until my sister was curling my hair, and she was like, my curls never stay. And I was like, dude, do you scrunch your hair? She's like, no. So I taught her how to do it, and her curls stayed like way longer than usual. Ugh, I got hairspray in my mouth. I hate hairspray. You kind of like mess with it too. Like I actually kind of like my hair to be a little frizzy, just a little frizzy to make it look effortless. And then this is optional. You can comb your hair through. So I just comb the ends in case there's like too much hairspray in my hair to make it look a little healthier. And then I add on the Shine Serum from INH. It just looks like literally like that, kind of silicone-y, like a primer kind of. And I run it through my ends first because that's where I want the most shine, and also because my hair has like hairspray down there. And then I run it through my roots like this, and then whatever like is left on my head, I mean on my hand, I just wipe it on the top of my head like that, and then just run it through my bangs. But that is my fake blowout hair tutorial. I really hope you all liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you soon in my next video.